Jai Hind, I am Vedana Singh and you are most welcome on my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to do the exercise question of the chapter's name is acid, base and salt, and this video is for class 7 science student. So first question is choose the correct option among the given option. The first question is which of the following turns the blue litmus paper red? Among this option water, acid and base, B is a correct option means acid is a correct answer for the question. Now the next question is question number second which of the following substances can neutralize an acid? The option is given here lemon juice, vinegar, baking soda and sugar, but C is a correct option for the question. The next question is which of the following is a natural acid? Means among the options which one is the natural acid? Among these four options the C is the correct option, that is the citric acid. Now the next question number 4, what happens when an acid reacts with a base? Means whenever acid reacts with the base, then what would be the product or what changes occurs during the production? The answer of the question is they produces salt and water as a product. Now the next is question number 5, what kind of taste do base usually have? Means the basic substance have usually what type of tastes are there? The taste is bitter taste. C is a correct option for the question. Now move to the question number B, that the fill in the blanks. Means the fill in the blanks as here happen in your book and I have written the answers here. Base have better taste and feel soapy to touch. In the fill in the blanks you have to put the first is better, bitter and this soapy. Now the next is the process of mixing an acid and base to form a natural product is called, that is the neutralization. So neutralization would be the in the fill in the blanks. Now this question number 30 is a substance that turns blue litmus paper red is called, that is acid. Now the next question is baking soda is an example of dash base, means that is the mild basis. So the question number 5, salt is produced when an acid reacts with an base. Whenever acid and base react, the product is salt. Now there is a question for true and false. The first is acid taste bitter. No, this is a false. Neutralization result in the formation of salt and water, that yes, this is the true. Now the next question is base turns red litmus paper blue. Yes, base see what happens, base turns red litmus paper blue but in acid turns blue litmus paper red. Always remember it, that is the true answer for it. This is the true answer. The acid can react with a metal to release the hydrogen gases. Yes, this is the true. Now the next is baking soda is an acidic in nature. No, baking soda not in acidic in nature. This is in basic in nature. So this is a false. Now the questions are given here. The question is define the following terms. Means some terms are given here and we have to define. I have written answer in easy language. The first is acid. Acid, a substance that tastes are sour and turns blue litmus paper red. And first point is this is, and the next second point is it is found in things like lemon juice and vinegars. So these are the answer. Now the question number B. A substance that tastes bitter and feels soapy and turns red litmus paper blue, and it is found in things like soapy and baking soda, that is the base. And neutralization, this is a process in which acid reacts with a base to form salt and water. First point. In the second point you may write it makes both acid and base weaker. Neutralization. Salt, a substance is made when an acid and base react together. Whenever acid and base react together, it forms a salt. So the common answer is common salt, whatever we eat at home. That is the example. Now indicator. Fifth number is indicator. A substance that changes color to show if something is an acid or base. Means indicator is a substance which generally show us whether the substance is acid or bases. The example is litmus paper. Now match the columns. First is A, acid. You have to match in B, turns blue litmus paper red. Next is base, it turns red litmus paper blue. Now the next is neutralization. Neutralization, the option is C, you have to match in C, produces salt and water. and the fourth is salt for after base and acid reaction. Now the fifth is indicator. It helps to identify the acid or base. You have to fill in the E. Now some statements are given here and we have to give the reason. So first statement is acid should be handled with care. Why acid should be handled with care? See, first point is it is because acid are strong and can burn the skin or damage clothes. Means it can burn our hand or damage our clothes also. The second point is they can be harmful if not used safely. If we will not use safely, acid is very harmful to us. The second statement is baking soda can neutralize an acid. Yes. Answer is it is a base, so it reacts with the acid to make them weaker. And the second point is this helps to stop the acid's harmful effect. Now the third statement is litmus is used as an indicator. Means yes, we are giving the answer of this question statement. It changes color when it touches an acid or bases. So it helps us to know whether which type substance we have. Generally indicators, it says that litmus paper, it says that whatever substance we are using, whether it is basic or acidic in nature. The fourth number statement is plant do not grow well in highly acidic soil. The answer is acidic soil can harm plant roots and stop them from getting the nutrients they need to grow properly. And the fifth is neutralization is important for indigestion treatment. See, the answer is indigestion happens when there is too much acid in the stomach. And the second point is a base like antacid is used to neutralize the acid and give relief. And the now G number question is answer in brief. We have to write the answer in brief. The question is what is an acid? It is a substance that tastes sour and turns blue litmus paper red. This is the first point. And the second point is it is found in natures like lemon and vinegars. Now the second question is what do bases feel when touches? Means whenever bases feel soapy or slippery when we touch the base. Now the next question is what happens in a neutralization reaction? In neutralization reaction, an acid and base reacts to form salt and water. The question number 4. Why are natural indicators like turmeric used is in experiment? Means generally in lab we use turmeric as an indicator. The answer is natural indicators like turmeric changes the color in acid or bases, so they help us to find the substance is acid or basic. Means that turmeric is also as an indicator, natural indicator. The question number 5. Write some what are some uses of salts in daily life? What are the uses of salt? There are different uses. The first answer, write the answer. Salt are used in cooking, preserving food, making toothpaste, and in medicine. Now the H number question is answer in detail. The questions are given here and we have to write the answer in details. The first question is explain the properties of acid with example from everyday life. The first point is acid tastes sour, and the second point is that turns blue litmus paper red. Third point is acid can react with metal to release hydrogen gases. And the fourth point is they can corrosive, which means they can damage skin or clothes. And examples we are taking here. Lemon juice contains citric acid, always remember it. Vinegar contains acetic acid, and curd contains lactic acid. Sometimes such type of question is asked in the exam. Generally, what curds content, which type of acid are there? Means that's lactic acid, and vinegar acetic acid, and lemon juice that is citric acid. And tamarind contains the tartaric acid. Tamarind contains tartaric acid. Now the question number B, second number question is, this is a long type question, so that's why we have written the answer in 4 point. Describe the process of neutralization and its importance. The first point is neutralization is a reaction between acid and base. We have already discussed it. It forms salt and water. Always remember it. Second point. Third point is the reaction reduces the effect of both acid and base. Some importance are it is used in treating indigestion, means too much acid in the stomach. Now the B point is it helps to fix acidic soil that plant can grow better. And the next point is it is used to treat insect sting like ant or bee stings. Now the next is third number question, what are bases and where are they commonly found in homes? The answer is bases are substances that taste bitter and feel soapy. This is a common. They turns red litmus paper blue. They strongly base can be harmful, so they should be handled carefully. Now we find the bases at home as a baking soda. We generally use to cook and cleaning purpose. And the next is soap and shampoo, generally washing we use, that is the basic in nature. But the toothpaste that we do, that is acidic in mouth, that neutralize acidic in mouth, means this is also we find at home. Now question number 4, how are salt formed and what are their uses? Means you have to give the answer how salt is formed and what are their uses. The salt is formed when an acid reacts with a base in a neutralization reaction. And the next point of the question is this reaction gives salt and water. Now the examples of salts are table salt, generally whatever we eat, that is table salt, sodium chloride from hydrochloric acid whenever it forms, and hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide. Uses of salt means salt is used as a cooking and eating, that is table salt. We can preserving food, pickles, generally salt is used to preserving purpose for pickles. But the next is it is used in medicine, toothpaste and soaps. Next is it is used in industries to make chemicals. Now the question number, yes, this is the last question. Compare acid and base on their property and uses. Means we have to compare on the basis of property and uses of the acid and base. So you have to make this chart in your copy. The first is taste. The taste of acid is sour and taste of bases are bitter. And the second is feel. It is not soapy, but it is soapy or slippery. Now the litmus test. It turns blue litmus paper red and it turns red litmus paper blue. Always remember it. Reaction with metals. It produces hydrogen gas. Usually do not react with metals. Means base, it does not react with metals. Examples are lemon juices, vinegars and curd. And here example of bases are baking soda, soap and toothpaste. Now the next common uses are of acid is food, cleaning and batteries. Generally in battery there is a use of acid and it is used for cleaning. Also it is used toothpaste and anti-acid. With this in, if you have any query you can write down the in comment box so that I can give you the reply. With this in, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.